Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by confirming prerequisites. Charge the earbuds in your phone, then open Bluetooth settings on your Android. Once done, enter the device list under Connected Devices and tap Pair New Device so the phone is ready. Next, activate pairing mode on the earbuds. AirPods show a white blink when you open the case near the phone. JBL often needs the power slash button held until LEDs flash. This immediately makes the earbuds discoverable, which is why you prepare the phone first. Now focus on the middle steps. Watch the available devices list and select the exact earbud's name as it appears, because similar names can cause confusion. When you tap the name, accept any prompts. Some Android builds ask for confirmation, or a PIN, typically 0000 or 1234 if prompted. After pairing completes, go into device details and make sure media audio and call audio toggles are enabled so everything routes correct. Finish by verifying the connection. Play a video to test sound and make a quick call to confirm the mic works. If you don't hear audio or the device won't connect, reset the earbuds, AirPods. Hold the setup button in the case until the LED flashes amber then white. JBL. Follow the manufacturer hold reset sequence. Also, reboot your phone and toggle Bluetooth off and on before retrying. If problems persist, try pairing with another device to isolate whether it's the earbuds or phone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.